We are Liquid Controls, where precision and excellence aren't just our goals, but a guarantee. Since 1954, we have been the global pioneers in precision measuring systems, ensuring flawless custody transfer of refined fuels and liquids. Precision is paramount in batching application during custody transfer of refined fuels. Control valves must operate flawlessly to ensure accurate batch delivery. However, conventional digital control valves often face significant challenges. To overcome these challenges, we have designed DCV NXT, the Smart Piston Type Digital Control Valve. Let us explore how our Smart Piston Type DCV NXT overcomes industry challenges. With conventional DCVs, operators struggle to maintain precise flow control during fluctuating flow and line pressure. To overcome this challenge, we designed Liquid Controls DCV NXT with a patented trim and innovative ATV technology, ensuring precise flow control and accurate batch delivery even under fluctuating conditions. Needle valve tuning in conventional DCVs requires expert intervention, whereas Liquid Controls DCV NXT automatically adjusts flow, eliminating the need for needle valves. Manual intervention and tampering pose safety risks with conventional DCVs due to manual tuning. Our tamper-proof Liquid Controls DCV NXT enhances safety and accuracy by eliminating the need for needle valves. Conventional DCVs fail to safeguard against mechanical failures. However, Liquid Controls DCV NXT addresses this issue by protecting against both electrical and mechanical failures. Conventional DCVs require multiple trials for manual valve tuning, making setup and calibration tedious and time-consuming. The plug-and-play design of Liquid Controls DCV NXT significantly reduces commissioning time by eliminating the need for manual tuning. Choose DCV NXT to achieve the highest level of batch accuracy, regardless of operational conditions. Let's explore the operation sequence of DCV NXT. In the closing position, when the cycle starts, the upstream solenoid is open and downstream solenoid is closed. This allows fluid to flow to the piston's top chamber. Due to patented trim design, the resultant downward force acting on the top of the piston is significantly higher than the lifting force, resulting into the closure of the piston. The ATV on the upstream side maintains consistent piston closure by regulating flow, ensuring reliability despite pressure variations. In the opening position, the upstream solenoid is closed and the downstream solenoid is opened, allowing fluid to flow towards the back of the piston. As a result, the lifting force is higher than the downward force acting on the top of the piston, causing the piston to move upwards. In the controlling position, when the flow rate reaches the low flow set value, the downstream solenoid locks the piston hydraulically. The solenoid is then energized to open the valve until the flow rate reaches the high flow set value. Once the quantity nears completion, the batch controller gradually ramps down the flow rate to prevent line shock. When the set quantity is reached, high upstream pressure closes the piston completely. The feature that stands out is its auto-tuning capability. Auto-tuning valves regulate the flow throughout the operation, ensuring reliability, repeatability, and batch accuracy despite changing pressure. By eliminating the need for manual needle valves, it guarantees tamper-proof operation with minimal manual intervention. The DCV NXT is ideal for loading applications in oil marketing terminals, precise biodiesel and ethanol blending applications, and aviation fueling. Elevate your operations with Liquid Controls, where excellence is guaranteed.